Hello children, in this video we are going to discuss about parallelogram. Properties. Property number 1, opposite sides are equal. Here AB equals DC and AD equals BC. Second property, opposite angles are equal. Angle A equals angle C and angle B equals angle D. Okay. Then a third property, adjacent angles are supplementary. For example, angle A plus angle B equals 180 degree. In a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. Here, a DO equals a BO. AO equals CO. From this we can write angle X equals angle A. Angle Z equals angle Y. Angle D equals angle B. Angle E equals angle C. From this figure we can write Y equals 110 degree. Why children? As opposite angles are equal. What about X and 110 degree? Yes, listen. X plus 110 degree equals 180 degree, right? From this easily can find X. X equals 180 degree minus 110 degree. How much is the answer children? Value of X becomes 70 degree, right? X equals 70 degree. Was it clear? From this figure easily can find the value of Z. Z equals 70, right? Why children? Here opposite angles, angle Q, angle S, opposite angles. In a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So from this easily can write angle Z or measurement of Z equals 70 degree. Okay, clear now? From this figure we have to find value of X, Y, Z and A. From this figure directly we can find Y. How much is there Y? Y equals 112 degree. What is the reason behind? Why children? Yes, in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. Here angle A equals angle C. So Y equals 112 degree. Okay, clear now? We know that in a parallelogram adjacent angles form supplementary. What about here D and C? D plus C 180 degree, right? From this figure we can have angle D plus angle C equals 180 degree. What about angle D? 40 plus X degree, right? Plus angle C 112 degree equals 180 degree, right? Then X plus 152 equals 180 degree, right? Then X equals 180 degree minus 152 degree, right? How much is our answer children? X becomes 28 degree. Y 112 degree. X equals 28 degree. Okay. From this figure, if it is 28 degree, this angle also becomes 28, right? By alternate interior angles. Here alternate interior angles are equal. How much is there? A equals 40, right? Here Z equals 28 degree. A equals 40 degree, right? Otherwise, to get the value of A, you can consider triangle DCB. Angle sum property you can have here. Then here also to get the value of Z, you can have here angle sum property of a triangle ABD. Easily can find. As you like, you can do children. From this figure, we have to find value of x and y. Listen children, here KLMN is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, we know that diagonals bisect each other. From this, we can write KO equals OM and LO equals ON, right? So, from this, y plus 7 equals 20, right? Y plus 7 equals 20. Then y equals 20 minus 7. Y equals 13 centimeter. Okay. We have x plus y equals 16, right? X plus y equals 16. Here y equals 13, right? So x plus 13 equals 16. Then x equals how much children? Yes, 16 minus 13. 16 minus 13 equals 3 centimeter. Okay, clear now? From this figure we have to find the value of x. Here polygon RISK is a parallelogram already given, right? If it is 120 degree, how much measurement we can write here children? Or 120, right? Listen, if it is 120, how much here? How much is here? 60 degree, no? 60 degree, right? Then only we can have here 180. In a parallelogram, adjacent angles form 180. Okay, clear, no? If it is 60 degree, what about angle S? Angle R and S, opposite angles, right? If it is 60, here we can write 60 degree. Okay, clear, no? What about polygon? CLUE. CLUE. Parallelogram, no, already given. If it is 70 degree, how much we can write? Here, this angle also becomes 70 degree, right? Why children? In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. From this, we have to find x, you know. Can you see one triangle here? Can you see one triangle? To get the value of x, we can have here angle sum property of this triangle. Listen, if this point represents O, can you see triangle ESO here? In triangle ESO, angle is 70 degree, angle is 60 degree and angle O x degree. To get the x, listen children, from this we can have x degree plus 70 degree plus 60 degree equals 180 degree, right? Then x plus 130 degree equals 180 degree, right? Then what about x children? X equals 180 minus 130 degree. Okay, equals 50 degree. Is it clear children?